Well, you can see the schedule there on Monday, 1 p.m. It's Navy versus PNP and GMA News TV. And we'd like to turn it over to the third girl in our panel. Hi, Bianca Saldua.
Hi, Noreen. Pag lumabas po kayo, parang napakaganda ng panahon para mag-volleyball. Pero unfortunately, hindi lahat dito sa arena ay maganda ang pakiramdam, lalo na sa Philippine Army. Dahil hindi lang si Tina Salak ay may sakit, dahil halos lahat ay nahawa kay Coach Rico sa sakit niyang trangkaso. Mapapansin din natin na wala rin ang assistant coach niya dahil nahawa rin siya. Ganun pa man, naniniwala si Coach na hindi yan makaka-apekto sa laro nila ngayon dahil kailangan pa rin nila bumawi sa laban nila against Cagayan, kung saan ayon kay Coach Rico walang magandang laro. At kahit kaya naman nila ang Lady Samurai, hindi ibig sabihin that they will go easy on them porket bata sila. At yan ay ikinatuwa ni Coach Shaq sa kabilang court kasi gusto niya ma-challenge ang team niya. Hindi ito ang pinakamagandang season para sa FEU, pero balak na rin nila tapusin with a bang. At kahit ito ang huling laban ng FEU, hinihiling ni Coach na wag sana sila magsawa palakasin ang team. Back to you, Noreen and Mosey.
Bianca, huwag ka lumapit kay Coach Rico. Medyo deadly ang virus. Oh. The whole team. Nahawa, no?
Yung pala yun. Natawa sa'yo si Coach Rico, parang narinig ka niya.
Kasi pati assistant coach wala.
Lalagas.
Oo.
FEU now with 3 attack points. Ito Philippine Army doble with 6.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky.
Si Jovelyn Gonzaga now with 3 attack points off the 6 of the Philippine Army. Si Buna ang may-ari nung dalawa.
Wow. Pero talaga nakita natin, no, slowly but surely nagiging one of the first options ito si Jove Gonzaga.
Oo naman, dahil sa pinapakita niya, lalo na yung percentage niya sa pagpatay ng bola, ibang ang taas.
That's right. Well, Basas, may problema ngayon. Medyo ilang hitting errors na si Basas.
Ito yung you don't like to see from FEU, yung unforced errors. Kasi maganda yung laban lang, tulad kanina, no? Laban lang sila sa Philippine Army.
Like what Bianca said, no? They wanna finish it with a bang. Pero sino unang magbabang sa arsenal ng Army?
Bang, bang, bang. Oo. Ito malapit sa bang, bang. So, let's see.
Good block there by Palma. Basang-basa niya, oh. Si Dalia Cruz and Rexona antiperspirant deodorant. It won't let you down.
Well, another player from FEU na kailangan talaga mag-step up. Itong si Remy Palma. At maganda naman yung improvement niya. He's right. And maganda kasi na parang nakikita ko itong si Giselle C is really going to Palma in the future tournaments. Mukhang ito ang madalas niyang pupuntahan.
That's right, diba? Actually, napansin natin dati with the C-Eulalio combination. Ngayon, syempre, with Palma at the helm, it will be the C-Palma combination. Salak Balse. Easy does it for Mary Jean Balse. Pero you know, that's right, ang FU kailangan mag-contribute yung mga ibang players. Well, Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Again, team game. Kailangan talaga may contribution from everyone. And ang volleyball kasi, ibang klase pang team game yan. May rotation. So, kailangan ma-maximize mo yung mga spikers mo in front. Lalo na kung yun yung mga prime spikers mo. Like si Ging Balse, pag nasa harap yan. Tsaka Michelle Carolina. Eh, ang dami. Paano ba naman yun? Ang dami paghuhugutan.
And don't forget, Tina Salak is an offensive weapon on her own. Right. Dalia Cruz could serve. C. Timalabanan. Tagwell. Free ball para sa Army. Salak kay Ging Balse.
Another chance for FEU. Oh, that was well read by Carolino. But the attack was really played well by Malabanan.
That's right, but Carolino gets that point. It's 16-8.
Ako po si Remy Palma at ako naman po si Bernal Pons ng FEU Lady Tamaraw. At kayo'y nanonood ng Shakey's V-League Open Conference Season 10.